What makes our services better than other services in the industry?
I believe that we started the first Lab Director Services program, but there are others that offer a service to meet your Lab Director requirement for your CLIA license, of course. The difference that I'm hearing and speaking to clients about our service versus some of our competitors is the hands-on involvement of the lab director in terms of them following up with the lab staff that is actually running your test in-house every day, interacting with those people, completing their competency assessments, and then visiting at least once every quarter, which is what we require of all of our part-time lab directors, unless the lab is located in a state, which of course requires a more frequent on-site visit. So our lab directors are not just a name on paper. They want to ensure that your lab is running compliantly and smoothly and efficiently as possible. And they want to ensure that your lab passes all of your inspections and surveys with flying colors so that there's no issue to the functionality or the operations of your lab and the patients that you serve.